94% of American seniors over 65 are making a hidden mistake that silently steals their strength, balance, and independence every single day. Most of you are probably doing it right now without realizing it. And it's leaving your muscles starved, your joints weak, and your energy gone. Stay with me, because I'm about to reveal 5 everyday, cheap foods that rebuild muscle faster than eggs, even if you're in your 70s or 80s. 1. Cottage cheese. Packed with slow-digesting casein protein, cottage cheese nourishes muscles all night, repairing fibers while you sleep. Just half a cup daily can reduce morning stiffness, boost energy, and strengthen bones with calcium and phosphorus. 2. Tofu. This soy-based protein is a complete protein with all essential amino acids. Isoflavones support hormone balance, helping prevent muscle and bone loss. A simple tofu stir-fry or baked dish can reduce joint pain and increase endurance. 3. Chickpeas. High in protein, fiber, magnesium, and zinc. Chickpeas improve muscle endurance, power legs, and stabilize energy. Swap white bread for chickpea salads or hummus, and your muscles get steady fuel that lasts all day. 4. Nori seaweed. Lightweight but nutrient-dense, nori provides complete protein, taurine, iodine, magnesium, and antioxidants that rebuild muscle fibers, reduce cramps, and support thyroid and nerve function. Even a few sheets daily make a noticeable difference. 5. Sardines. Small but mighty, sardines deliver high-quality protein, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and calcium. They fight inflammation, speed up muscle recovery, and strengthen bones, giving seniors more energy, stability, and confidence to stay active. These 5 foods aren't just nutritious, they're cheap, easy to prepare, and proven by research to restore strength, endurance, and independence in seniors.